Writing a resume, here are 5 things that you should never include while writing a resume. Point number 1, personal information. Any kind of personal information should not be included in the resume. It should be strictly professional. Personal information such as voter ID card number, Aadhaar card number, marital status, religion should not be included in your resume. Point number 2, irrelevant work experience should not be included in the resume. If you are applying for a job in HR, you should not include experience such as B2B sales done, or handle marketing strategy, or something in finance, or something in IT. It will really not help for the position that you are applying. Be very concise as to what you are writing in your resume, and it should be apt according to the job you are applying for. Point number 3, do not include unprofessional, cute, funny email IDs. It just does not impress the people who are trying to hire you. Try to stay as professional as possible while creating your resumes. For example, an ID like googleforyou@gmail.com will not impress a recruiter. Rather, it will not give a very professional look to your resume. Point number 4, do not include photographs while creating your resume. There are different templates out there which has photograph column where you can put photographs, but it is always professional to provide your LinkedIn ID. Adding the URL to your LinkedIn ID will help. And last but not the least, do not lie in your resume. If you lie in your resume, it backfires to you. Let me tell you 2 instances how it backfires. If you provide wrong information in your resume while the company is doing a background verification check and they find out that the information provided by you is wrong, then they can take really strict action against you. I have handled cases where employees have been terminated just because they have provided wrong information in their resume, and while doing a background verification check, we have found out that the employee has provided completely wrong information. Second point is, if you are providing something which you have not done, if you are including something which you have not done in the resume, if you are over exaggerating your experience during the course of interview, while you are asked these questions, whatever you have not done and you have put in the resume, then in that case you cut out a very sorry figure, and it just portrays the fact that you are incompetent for the job role. Instead of making a fool out of yourselves during an interview, it is always best to provide whatever you have correctly done. If you want more tips and tricks as to how you should crack an interview or how you should write a resume, you can write down to me in my comment section. Additionally, I will provide you templates as to how you can write resumes in my handle. You can go check it out. Thanks for watching.